Imagine walking into a market, your wallet filled not with cash or cards but with bottles clinking. Forget gold and silver. In early 1800s Jamaica, you could get paid with a bottle of this. Stay tuned to discover the spirited currency of the Caribbean. Welcome back to our channel, where history meets mystery with a splash of rum. In today's episode, we're diving into a tale so intoxicating it will make you question everything you know about money. And stick around because we've got some bonus facts at the end that will blow your mind. Now let's raise our glasses to the story of rum as currency in Jamaica. Jamaica, the jewel of the Caribbean, was not just a paradise of sun, sea, and sand. In the early 19th century, it was the hub of sugar plantations, the backbone of its economy. But where there's sugar, there's rum. Produced in vast quantities, rum flowed more freely than water and soon found its place as the liquid gold of the economy. Rum wasn't just for sipping on the beach while watching the sunset. In a world where cash was scarce and banking as we know it was in its infancy, Jamaicans found a liquid solution. Rum became a currency, a means to trade for essentials, food, clothes, tools, and yes, even in the more somber aspect of history, for other enslaved individuals. It was a time when your drink could literally buy you dinner. But rum's role went beyond mere transactions. It was a social lubricant, a sign of hospitality and friendship. Offering a bottle of rum was like extending a hand of camaraderie, sealing deals with a toast rather than a handshake. Imagine negotiating salaries or buying a plot of land over shots of rum. Now that's a story for the grandkids. Finding this tale as fascinating as we do? Then hit that subscribe button. Join our crew of history enthusiasts as we uncover more secrets from the past. Your support helps us bring these incredible stories out of the archives and into the spotlight. The rum economy was a double-edged sword. While it facilitated trade in a cash-poor society, it also led to some, let's say, spirited negotiations. Disputes were settled not just with words, but with the quality of rum on the table. The better the rum, the smoother the deal. Rum's influence stretched far beyond the shores of Jamaica. It was a global commodity, finding its way to colonial America and Europe. Ships laden with barrels of Jamaican rum sailed across the oceans, weaving rum into the very fabric of global trade and culture. Next time you enjoy a rum cocktail, remember its surprising past as a form of everyday money. From the sugarcane fields of Jamaica to the bustling markets where rum bottles clinked more than coins, it's a history that adds a dash of flavor to every sip. Now for our bonus facts. Number 1. Rum and rebellion. Did you know rum played a role in historical uprisings? The infamous Rum Rebellion in Australia was partly fueled by the control and trade of rum. Number 2. The rum distillation process. The art of distilling rum from sugarcane juice was a closely guarded secret, with techniques passed down through generations, making each bottle a story of heritage and craft. Number 3. Famous rum lovers. Historical figures, including George Washington, were known to have a penchant for rum, hosting rum-fueled parties that would go down in history almost as much as their political achievements. Number 4. Rum and wages. In colonial periods, especially in places like Jamaica and even in early American colonies, workers on plantations and sailors in the Navy were sometimes partially paid in rum. This practice underscored the value of rum not just as a beverage but as a vital component of the economy, literally fueling the labor force. Number 5. The rum economy. The widespread use of rum as a form of currency in Jamaica and other parts of the Caribbean significantly influenced the development of formal banking and monetary systems in these regions. As economies grew and became more complex, the limitations of a rum-based trade system highlighted the need for more standardized and versatile forms of currency, leading to the evolution of the financial systems we recognize today. Thank you for joining us on this intoxicating journey through history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tales from the past. Until next time, keep the spirit of curiosity alive. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Impacting Jamaica.